Fine. Substring method. Return the substring from the main string. Write it, everyone. Substring. Return the substring from the main string. What is the substring? Substring means part of the string. Substring means part of the string is known as substring. So by using the substring method, you can fetch the part of the string. See what we are doing with the char@. By using the char@ method, we are fetching the character from the given position. Fetching the character from the given position. Okay, from the given index position. But now, if there is a requirement in the program to fetch the part of the string, not the single character, I want to fetch the part of the string, substring. Then I will use the substring method. But I have to tell to the compiler from which position. So index position I have to tell now. So that's why int is the data type. It is the argument type. Okay, substring is having the one argument int. And the return type is string only. Return type is string. ये opposite है, उल्टा लिखा है. It is wrong. It is wrong. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो लिखो. Return type is string and argument is int. Return type is string and argument int. Return type is string and argument int. This is the one of the method. Substring, जिसमें कि सिर्फ एक ही पैरामीटर हम पास कर रहे हैं. See the example. See in this second column example. String str equals to hello exclamation sign. Then here str dot substring 3 means it's going to fetch the substring from the index position 3. 3 से लेकर के last तक, 3 to end. Okay, so it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from this second L, it's going to fetch L and O and then exclamation sign. So output will be LO exclamation sign. Means from the third position till the end. Okay, if here I'm passing two parameters, substring int. So substring int. Okay, so two parameter always indicates first parameter starting position of the index. Okay, means fetching of the string, starting from the string कि कहाँ से मुझे string fetch करना शुरू करना है, right? और कहाँ तक करना है, 4. If see it is given na 4, two parameters are given. See this third example, substring. String str equals to hello, then str dot substring, then here 2, 4. It means it's going to be started with the 2, set 2 position, index position 2, and till the 4th, no, excluding 4. Excluding 4. Okay, so HE means 0. Here H is 0 and E is 1. 2, L is 2. तो इस L से शुरू होगा 2, 3. Only double L आएगा. It is wrong written over here. LLO is wrong written over here. You write the output LL. Position 2 and position 3. Position 2 and position 3. Okay. So means excluding 4. लिखो substring का लिखो. I hope you have written the string substring int first. Return the substring from the main string from the given index position till end. From the given index position till end. From the given index position till end. Okay, I am writing in your chat box. Substring method I am going to show you. This concat I'm making comment. Yes. See that. Write it, everyone. Write these examples. String S. Here I have declared string S. In that S I have declared hello, Java, how are you, and question mark. Hello Java, how are you, and question mark. Okay. So here S dot substring 4. See over here in this S dot substring, S is what? This string S. So what you have stored in as hello Java, how are you? So means this method is going to be fetched from hello Java, how are you? Now what is going to be fetched? Part of the string. So substring 4, this is a syntax that how you will use. You will use the string name, means variable of the string, then substring, then the parameter. Okay, one integer argument means it's going to start from the index position 4 till the end, till the last. Okay, string position, index position of the string from 4 till the last. So 4 is what? H is 0. Index position always start with the 0. Index position always starts with 0. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then space is 5. So it's going to fetch from the 4. Means यहाँ 0 से शुरू हो. 0 means O. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4th index position, O is there now. So from the O till the last, till the question mark. O space Java space how space R space U. So like that we can fetch the substring, part of the string. Okay. Then next is S dot substring 10. अभी कहाँ से शुरू होगा? From the index position 10. So see that this is 0. Always keep remember starting with the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, means 10 is occurring on this space. 10th index position exists. This space is exists on the 10th index position. So from the space is going to fetch space, then how are you? It will be your substring. Space, how are you? Okay, fine. Now, okay, first of all see them. I'm compiling, then executing. देखो, first वाला O space hello how are you, because we have started from the 4th position. See over here, how are you? Space is also there before, because we have fetched the string from the 10th position, and on the 10th index position we are having the space. White space is there, right? So this is the output. Now see this. System.out.println s dot substring 6, 11. 6, 11 means what? You can write it. Write it, everyone. System.out.substring 6. And here I have written in the comment, begin with 6. Okay, first integer parameter. It will start from the first integer parameter and it will end with the 11. No, excluding 11. Okay, it ends with the 11. Excluding 11 means till the 10. Okay, so in the S, see that what is 0? H. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will start from the J. Okay, J, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 is H. So excluding H means till the 10. So it will going to fetch you Java with space. Right? फिर से काउंट करते हैं. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. J at the 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It's going to fetch you Java, and space will come afterwards. This after space is there. Okay. Then if I'm using substring 3 to 12, so 3 is what? H is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 means second L. It will start from the second L. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till HO. No. O, excluding O. Second argument will be excluded. Okay, means till the 11 it's going to be fetched. Means third is what? L. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not 12. Okay, so it will give you LO Java space H. Okay, LO Java space H. This is only. Okay, understood? Okay, let me compile. We'll see these first two and these last two. First two as it is, yes, see that Java, and then after the space we cannot see, but if I'm clicking over here, then you can see that space, selected one. Then LO space Java space H, right? Now see the difference. Understood the difference? Now wait, see that system dot out dot println str plus s dot substring. This type of the question you are going to get in the exam. Means methods within the methods or more than one methods are there. See that plus symbol is used to concatenate. Yesterday we have seen that. Str. So what is stored in the str? See that. Str is hello exclamation sign question mark space 6 space. This is the str. Okay, so this str is going to be concatenate first here. Then after that s dot substring 10. Substring 10 means what? It will be start from space how are you, right? So see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, means from the space it's going to be fetch. Space how are you? So it will concatenate with the str value and then the substring of the s from 10 to end. See that third output. 1 2 3 hello exclamation question mark space 6 space then how are you, like that substring is there.